So there are two ways to get into split screen mode. First, take your finger here from the top, pull down, and then pull down once again to reveal the other option here. This is the one that we're looking for, split screen. Click on that. Now all you have to do is go ahead and select two apps here. Let's first start with the first one. Let's start with the clock. It would pop up the split screen here, and then let's go ahead and select the second app. Let's go with the calculator here. And now we have split screen. We have the option to drag to the left to make one side a little bit more than the other one, and vice versa, or we can just go back to the center here. So that's one way to do it. Now let's go ahead and do the other way. First, I would go ahead and select and hold the first app. Let's do that again. All right, there we go. Now we get this window here. So the second one from the left-hand side is the split screen option. Let's go ahead and click on that. And now all we have to do is go ahead and select the second app here. Now let's go with the calendar here. Wait for that to pop up. And now, yes, something went wrong, but that's how you do it, actually. This demonstration didn't go wrong, but that's how you do the split screen, basically. Again, you can slide from the left and the right here. Pretty simple. And that's how you do split screen here, the two different ways on the Lenovo tablet.